Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Chevy Impala. Starting right away up front, you have nice chrome accents in the grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. Inside, combination of leather and cloth interior makes for a very comfortable ride. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Impala on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.